sure is a pretty place, isn't it? And we took the helicopter across and we saw a gray whale the size of New Jersey. And the guy did a big circle around it. It was thrilling.
I've been to so many film festivals. This one is gorgeous and put together and taking care of their talent, so I couldn't thank you more.
It's a pleasure to be here. It's a beautiful night. It's always great to be in Catalina.
Catalina is the greatest place I've seen in a long time. I could kick myself that I'd never come here sooner.
Thank you again very much for your hospitality and making me a part of this island's history. I'm so proud to be a part of that.
It's just really a lovely place to be, and got to ride in a helicopter. It's going to be a beautiful night. We're going to watch a great film. It's going to be great.
I come from a boating culture, so I'm very attractive to the island.
What a good festival this is.
So close to LA, there's not really any excuse for not coming.
Hi, I'm Matt Atchity, editor-in-chief of Rotten Tomatoes. I'm here at the Catalina Film Fest, and if you're ever thinking about coming out here, absolutely make it sure, and you come out here, it's certified fresh.
Come on out.
To the Catalina Film Festival. See? We did it.